Hello, welcome to Buddhash. We are continuing our beginner series and I have already uploaded video regarding this. What I felt is I give examples related to the house I discuss. So I felt that you should guys at least know the aspect of the planet first. Although we discuss all the things related to the planets, but later on because I am going step by step. First you should know the house because these are the first pillars of Vedic astrology. But let's discuss aspect of the planet so that you can connect the dots when I give the examples in my video. Let's start. If you are new on my channel, please subscribe it. You will learn a lot. Trust me. See, I have already told you that there are 9 planets in our Vedic astrology, and these are 9 planets which are nothing but the incarnations of the Lord Narayan. I will discuss like Sun is the incarnation of Lord Rama, or we can say Lord Rama is the incarnation from Sun, right? And similarly, Moon is incarnation of Lord Krishna, like this. All 9 planets have incarnation. We will discuss this. This is very important when it comes to give remedy related to a particular planet. But we will discuss it when we will talk about the planets. What I felt is I felt that you should guys at least know the aspect of the planet, because when I discuss in the horoscope people get confused that what aspect actually a planet has. Now there are 9 planets and each of these planets have seventh aspect. So Sun has seventh aspect, Moon also has seventh aspect, Mars also has seventh aspect. This is double quote matlab same thing, that is seventh aspect. Mercury also have seventh aspect, Jupiter also have seventh aspect, Venus also have seventh aspect, Saturn also have seventh aspect. So each of the 9 planets, whether it is Sun, Moon, Mars, Mercury, Jupiter, Venus, or Saturn, they all have seventh aspect in any horoscope. So wherever they sits, they will aspect seventh house from it, right? So seventh aspect will fall from the placement of these planets to the seventh house. Now there are 3 planets in our Vedic astrology which have a special aspect. What are these 3 planets? Is first is Mars. Apart from having seventh aspect, Mars also have fourth aspect and eighth aspect also, right? Similarly, Jupiter also has fifth aspect and ninth aspect, and Saturn also has third aspect and tenth aspect. So these are the 3 planets which have a special aspect apart from other planets. Sun, Moon, Mercury, and Venus, they do not have any special aspect. A special aspect has been given to the Mars, which is fourth and eighth aspect, given to the Jupiter also, which is fifth and ninth aspect, given to the Saturn also, which is third and the tenth aspect. So these 3 planets have a special aspect in Vedic astrology. Let's discuss. This is the chart of Pandit Nehru. Let's discuss first Saturn aspect. See, Saturn is sitting in the second house. I have already told you, if you don't know house, please go and watch introduction video. Saturn is sitting in the second house. Now count from the Saturn placement, that is second house. Hello, let's see again. This is the Saturn previous example. This is the first example. Focus on the Saturn. Saturn is sitting in the second house. So third aspect will fall in the fourth house. Count from Saturn. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3. Right? So three step. Count three step from Saturn. So one step always will be where the Saturn is placed. Right? So one step is here, second step is here, third step. So third aspect will fall in the fourth house. Now seventh aspect opposite from the placement. Saturn is sitting in the second house. Opposite will be the eighth house. So Saturn's seventh aspect is falling on the eighth house. Right? Now tenth aspect will fall in the 11th house. Count from Saturn. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So 10 will be here, 11th house. So we can say that 10th aspect of Saturn in this horoscope is falling on the 11th house. Saturn can be placed anywhere in any horoscope. You have to include Saturn also, right? Here we have included Saturn and then counted three house from Saturn. So this is one house, this is two house, this is three house. So third house from Saturn will be the fourth house in this horoscope. Similarly, seventh from Saturn will be the eighth house, and tenth from Saturn will be the 11th house. So we can say that Saturn's special aspect are falling on the fourth house, where the third aspect is falling, eighth house where the seventh aspect is falling, and 11th house where the 10th aspect is falling. Now see, in this chart Saturn is sitting in the 11th house. So third aspect will fall on the Lagna because it is third from 7th. Third from Saturn. Saturn's sitting in the 11th house. Count from Saturn 1, 2, and 3. So this is the third aspect of Saturn which is falling on the Lagna. Now seventh aspect will fall in the fifth house because it is just opposite to the Saturn, where Saturn is placed. Then tenth aspect will fall in the eighth house. Count from Saturn 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So tenth aspect of Saturn is falling in the eighth house in this horoscope, right? So we can say that Lagna is aspected by Saturn because third aspect is there. Fifth house is also aspected by Saturn because seventh aspect is there. Eighth house is also aspected by Saturn because 10th aspect is there. All only three planets, Mars, Saturn, and Jupiter, have a special aspect. So these are the special aspect of Saturn. See, Jupiter aspect. In this chart, Jupiter is sitting in the 10th house. So fifth from Jupiter will be the 1, 2, 3, 4, and fifth. So fifth from Jupiter will be second house. So we can say that Jupiter's fifth aspect is falling on the second house. Now count from Jupiter. Ninth, this is Jupiter. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So we can say ninth aspect of Saturn is falling on the sixth house. Right? Jupiter have two special aspect, fifth and ninth. Saturn has two special aspect, third and 10th. Mars has two special aspect, fourth and eighth. Now here Jupiter fifth aspect is falling on the second house and ninth aspect is falling on the sixth house. Now these are the very hidden part. Aspect are the so most important part of Vedic astrology. You will realize how aspect will work when we will talk about planets. Like here this Jupiter from the 10th house aspecting this sixth house by the ninth aspect. Now ninth aspect of Jupiter shows the fortune. So this person when will take job or will take loan or maternal family of this person will have fortune or some fortunate event will happen because ninth aspect of Jupiter is falling. There is a difference between fifth aspect and ninth aspect also. Now what I have written is you will see that aspect of Jupiter always fall in the trine house from the Jupiter placement. We know that Lagna is first house, then trine house will be the fifth house and ninth house from Lagna. Now suppose Jupiter is Lagna. Yeah, I am taking Jupiter as Lagna. So fifth from Jupiter will be the second house, and ninth from Jupiter will be the sixth house. So Jupiter's aspect, which are the special aspect of Jupiter, always fall trine from the Jupiter's placement. This is Jupiter's placement. So consider this lagna. When we will consider this lagna, this will be the fifth and this will be the ninth. This is how you can easily remember aspect of Jupiter. Let's take aspect of Mars. Here Mars is sitting in the second house. So Mars has a special aspect. One is fourth and second is eighth. Count from second, third, fourth, and fifth. So fifth house will have fourth aspect of Mars, right? Because from Mars, this is the fourth. Now, seventh from Mars will be eighth house because Mars is sitting in the second house. So just opposite house will be the seventh house. Now, eighth aspect will be the ninth house. So eighth house or eighth aspect of Mars will be the ninth house. In this horoscope, Mars can be anywhere. Always include where the planet is sitting. Now count from Mars: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, or 8. So eighth aspect of Mars is falling on the ninth house. There is a big difference between fourth aspect and eighth aspect. So here we can say that some unfortunate event or bad event can happen related to the fortune or father's family or religion or something. Depends on what we are counting. This is how we see the aspect of special aspect of any planet, right? Mars have a special aspect, fourth and eighth. In this horoscope, Mars is sitting in the second house, so fourth aspect of Mars will fall on the fifth house, and seventh aspect of Mars will fall in the eighth house, and eighth aspect will fall in the ninth house. In this horoscope, Jupiter's aspect we will discuss. Jupiter have two special aspects, fifth aspect and ninth aspect. In this horoscope, fifth aspect of Jupiter is falling on the second house, and ninth aspect of Jupiter is falling in the sixth house. Saturn has two special aspects. One is third, second is tenth. Saturn is sitting in the 11th house in this horoscope. So third aspect will fall on the Lagna, and tenth aspect will fall on the eighth house. This is how we see aspect of these planets. Although there are partial uh, aspects of planets also, where fourth and eighth aspect is generally taken. I will show you. This is known as central effect. Central effect means from any planet, fourth house will also receive the aspect of that planet. For example, suppose this Saturn is sitting here. Sorry, suppose this Venus Mercury combination is in the fourth house. So fourth aspect of Venus will fall on the seventh house also. All the planets also have fourth and eighth aspect, which is 75%. But we always take full aspect only in the Vedic astrology. Although these aspects must be taken also. But these are the full aspect. Saturn has full aspect. One is third, seventh, and tenth. Similarly, Jupiter has fifth, ninth, and seventh. These are the full aspect of Jupiter. Similarly, Mars has full aspect on the fourth and eighth and seventh always, which is for all planets. So, thank you.